Well, hey there everybody, hope everybody's doing well. So in today's video, I did some butter pecan muffins for you. Now these aren't an overly sweet muffin, but they're pretty good. You can make them a little sweeter at the end. I'll give you a little tip of what you can do. But anyways, it's a cup and a half of self-rising flour, and then it's 1 cup of chopped pecans, and then it's 2/3 of a cup of packed brown sugar, and then 1 large egg, 3/4 of a cup of milk, 1/4 of a cup of melted butter, and then it's half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And that's all that goes into it. Pretty simple, but that's how it goes with me, especially with cooking, and then especially how it goes when it comes to baking, because I'm not much of a baker, because you gotta do all the precise measurement stuff. But you start off with just simply with the flour, your chopped pecans and brown sugar, mix them together in a bowl, and then you'll do your wet ingredients of the milk, the butter, and then the vanilla extract together in another bowl. And then once you've got them mixed, you can put them together in your large mixing bowl and get them all mixed together and well combined. And then once you have that, you can get your muffin tins ready and just spray them down good so you can get them out, and they'll pop out easier when you're done. And once you get that sprayed, you can just put it in your muffin tin, and then you're gonna pop that into a 400-degree oven, and you're gonna let that cook for around 15 minutes until they get good and golden brown on you. And once they're done here, this is what they look like. And just once they're done too, let them cool for a few minutes. That way they'll pop out of the muffin tins a little easier. And like I said, they aren't an overly sweet little muffin, but you can add a little more sweetness to them. Do a little quick little cream cheese icing, or you can do just the simple powdered sugar and milk. Mix it up and to put that icing on there just to give it a little bit more sweetness. But these are a great one for breakfast with a good cup of coffee, just to sit and enjoy with them. But anyways, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all watching as always. Y'all please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.